Do you know why big institutions, when they trade or make an investment, almost never lose money, while retail traders lose money all the time? It is because of hedging. Hedging allows big institutions to keep a healthy portfolio even when the market is down. See what I mean? Let's say I bought one Bitcoin at $72,000 and then price dropped. Bitcoin is now $62,000. If I sell at this price, I have made a loss of $10,000. What hedging does is it allows me to sell my Bitcoin at that $72,000 even though the market price is now $62,000. All I need to do is to pay a premium. This is actually called options trading. So the question is, why don't retail traders use it, and why is it not popular in crypto the way perpetual futures is? It is because it is not flexible. The fee is high. You cannot close your position when you want to until the expiration date. So it is usually for the big traders. This is why in traditional finance, options trading accounts for over 50% of derivative market share, but less than 5% in the crypto derivative. The Umoja protocol, a DeFi protocol that simplifies creating structured financial products, offers a solution to this inflexibility. They recently raised $4 million in funding from their partners, including Coinbase Ventures, Blockchain Foundation Fund, 500 Global, and a host of others. For the rest of this video, guys, let's go through it this way. So first, I'll give you more details on options trading, then how to trade it using Umoja, then other products offered by Umoja, the team, how to get positioned for the upcoming airdrop, and how to buy the token before it actually launches. Okay, let's get to it. Options trading is an option, the right to choose to buy or sell an asset at a predefined price and dates in the future. Let me give you an example. I'm still using the Bitcoin analogy I gave earlier. So I bought one Bitcoin at $72,000. Then I have, say, 55% conviction that Bitcoin might fall. I am not actually totally sure, but I don't want to sell. I just want to protect the value of my Bitcoin if it starts falling. So what I do is that I took a hedge position on Umoja to protect my one Bitcoin for 1 month and pay the required fee, maybe $100 or whatever the fee is. Mind you, I am not bringing my one Bitcoin to Umoja. It is safe in my private wallet. All I need to do is to pay the premium, which is the fee. Now, if Bitcoin falls to $62,000, the Bitcoin in my wallet is now worth $62,000. And that is okay because Umoja will pay me $10,000 to make it up if I close my position at that price. So you can see that the value of my Bitcoin is retained. Now, if Bitcoin doesn't fall but rises, I will only lose the fee, that is the premium that I paid. You can actually call this an insurance policy. Now, where it gets more interesting is that as a trader, I don't have to have one Bitcoin in my wallet. I don't even have to have any Bitcoin. I could risk the premium to bet on the market to either go up or go down. If my prediction is correct, I make profit. If it is wrong, I only lose the premium that I have paid. In traditional finance, it is called put and call options. In Umoja, it is called hedge and boost synthetic option. Now, let's go to Umoja so you see how this works. All right, so this is the Umoja protocol website. I'll go ahead and click on enter factory. It's going to take me to where I can perform the action. First, I want to connect my wallet. And this is built on the Arbitrum network. Accept the terms, and that is it. So this is a platform. Now, when you click here, you can see this is the synth, right? Synth is more like the where you take part in the hedge and the boost options, right? There's more things here coming out. I will explain that as we go. Now, here is the tokens. Currently, only 3 tokens are supported here: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and AVAX. Now, these are more like the strategies you can use. I want to see them as strategies. You can actually hedge. You can hedge Bitcoin, you can hedge Ethereum, you can hedge Avalanche. These are the 3 tokens supported. From when I watched the video from the co-founder, they plan to support at least the top 100 coins on CoinMarketCap. And then if you go here, you can see leaderboard. So leaderboard basically contains people or the wallet addresses that are actually taking part in this protocol. You can see the first wallet is hedging over 3.5 million. Second wallet about 1.2 million, and the total hedge, taking place on Umoja is about 12 million. It's certainly impressive for a project that is just coming up. Now, the dashboard, you can see things, actions, your personal actions you have taken with your wallet once you've connected your wallet. Now let's go back to Synth again. So we can do Edge, we can do Boost. Another thing I want to show you, let's go back. Token is this. So they kind of brought some metrics. So Bitcoin risk score 88% based on how it has performed, and they are recommending your hedge, right? Because you can do hedge and you can do Boost. This is the current price, and this is a market cap and other metrics here. So if I click on this Bitcoin, I can actually see more. So you can take your time to go through this. I'm going to go back to Synth and show you how to actually take part in this. So this is a hedge now. So what do I want to hedge? I can choose to hedge Bitcoin or choose to hedge Ethereum or AVAX. Let's say I want to hedge Ethereum. I want to hedge 0.5 ETH, right? That's about $1,523. Now, up to 1. How long do I want to hedge it for? Today 16th. I want to hedge it for 1 month. Say up till the 15th of May. Okay. Now, the next thing is a strike price. So the current price of Ethereum is $3,046. At what price do I want this hedge to start? I can choose for it to start immediately, or in this case, I want it to start at $3,000. When Ethereum falls to $3,000, start falling more. Let's say I believe it's going to get to like 2,500. That's when I want to start hedging it. Now I'll click on hedge. It's going to show me more details. So look at the details here. Amount 0.5 ETH, and contract strike price is this. Refundable collateral. Now I need collateral to actually do this, right? The collateral, when I close this, is given back to me. And at this time, that fee I talked about, the premium, Umoja just made an announcement. It is free for now. So you can actually go ahead and just do this for free. Again, your collateral is refunded when you close your position. This done. If I check my wallet, I actually have some USDC here, about 2,000 USDC. So let's say I want to go ahead and take this trade. I'll click on hedge. All I have to pay is 152.33, and of course I need to have a little Ethereum on my wallet to pay for gas fee. Gas fee on Arbitrum is very low now, so it's not a thing of concern. So this is now paid. I can choose to enter my email address to be notified on my activities. So this is simply how you use the platform. Now, I said earlier that Umoja is a DeFi protocol that simplifies creating structured financial products. In addition to the hedge and boost synthetic option, there are more products on the way. On the 16th of this month, which is today that I'm making this video, Umoja announced a partnership with Merlin for the first Bitcoin synthetic dollar, USDB. USDB not only maintains its peg to the dollar, but also bears yield. In other words, it's giving you yields while still maintaining the price of the dollar. So it is a kind of synthetics, just the way the hedge and the boost option are synths on the Umoja protocol. The USDB is also a synth, and it gives you more yield than other dollar pegged assets. Another thing is that team building Umoja has an impressive resume. The founder and CEO, for example, is a 2-time founder and former head of impact at Consensus. Consensus is the company behind MetaMask. He has also been in the crypto space since 2011. The rest of the team consists of alumni from Coinbase, Goldman Sachs, RBS, MasterCard, and Credit Suisse, with decades of experience in TradFi, marketing, and crypto. Now, Umoja will soon launch a token You can get the token early as an airdrop or from the launchpad. To qualify for the airdrop, use the protocol to gather points. Okay, now when I went to the leaderboard here, you can see people that are using the protocol, and you can see they're actually gathering points here. So this point qualifies you for the airdrop. So to be qualified for the airdrop, use the protocol to gather points. Then you can take part in airdrop quests. Season 1 of the airdrop is over. Season 2 is on the way. I'll leave the link to their X account in the description. Give them a follow to keep up to date with the announcements. The quest usually involves following and being active on their social media platform. For example, the quest actually takes place on guild.xyz. I'll leave the link in the description. And the actions you take, it just includes, like, for example, this one is connecting your Ethereum address. This one is completing the tags on mirror.xyz, and this one is completing a Gauze tag. So these are all the things you do to get qualified for the airdrop. Now, the IDO will take place on the 15th and 16th of May on the paid network launchpad Ignition. So you can sign up to purchase the Umoja token there before it launches. I'll leave all this link in the description. Full disclosure, guys, I invested in Umoja 2 months ago on another launchpad before I was approached to make this video. And based on the protocol the solution is bringing, the quality of the team, and the quality of the partners, Coinbase Ventures, blockchain founders, and the rest of them, it is safe to say that Umoja is a solid product. So there are 3 things you can do. One is you can choose to use the protocol to hedge your risk. I'll be making more videos on strategies to trade options. So subscribe to this channel and be on the lookout for different strategies to trade options. 2 is that you can take part in the airdrop quest to get the token for free, risk-free. You're not putting your money down. And 3 is that you can sign up with Ignition to take part in the IDO. And guys, that's it. Always do your own research before making an investment, as this video is not a financial advice. See you in the next video.